Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. I'm Janelle, I'm a marketing manager for social media here at the Bradford Exchange. Today we're going to be taking a peek behind the scenes at how two of our hand-blown glass products are made. Glass blowing is believed to have been invented in the 1st century BC and was used heavily in ancient Egypt and ancient Rome. And hand-blown glass is still a technique used by artisans today. Joining me are Beth and Stacy, two of our product developers, who will be sharing two of our hand-blown glass products with us. Beth is going to be giving you guys a look and telling you how our Songbird glass bowls are made with non-leaded lightweight glass. And Stacy is going to be giving you a look at one of our products you may not have seen yet, a light up colored glass heart whose coloration technique means no two hearts are exactly alike. So now let's go over to Beth and let's let her talk us through how our Songbird glass bowls are made, including with some production footage. Beth?
Hi, my name is Beth Funk and I'm a product designer with the Bradford Exchange, and I'm here today to share with you a couple of great products that the Bradford Exchange has to offer, all featuring art glass. Later on in this video, my colleague Stacy will be here to introduce some new products, all featuring art glass as well, so be sure to stick around for that. The process of art glass and the process of manufacturing art glass has been around for a long time. It's been perfected over the years, and what it is a super delicate technique that it involves an incredible amount of heat where they blow and stretch and manipulate and curve the fibers into these beautiful intricate designs like you see here in the James Hotman Reflections of the Garden glass bowls. These baskets are beautifully made. They are super delicate and thin. It takes everything in precision and care to make each one of these unique products. The process is super mesmerizing to watch, and let's take a look. So like we've just seen, each art glass bowl is handcrafted, hand-blown, beautifully made, delicate process. It also features the beautifully handcrafted sculpted piece of each songbird featured on the bowl. No two bowls are alike, which I love as well, and the coloring is perfect for any decor. Super soft, really delicate pieces, and again, featuring the artwork by James Hotman. It just really adds to the uniqueness of this collection. So if you like what you see with these art glass Reflections of the Gardens bowl, please see the link attached to this video, and thanks so much. Back to Janelle.
Thank you for that wonderful explanation of how our songbird bowls are made and giving us that look behind the scenes at how they're made. Such extraordinary talent to work under such heat and in such circumstances to create hand-blown glass, which working with glass, as we know, requires very high temperatures to be able to mold and to shape glass. Now we're going to hop over to Stacy, and she's going to show us that product of ours you may not have seen yet, that light up colored glass heart. And again, that coloration technique that she's going to talk through actually means that no two of these hearts are exactly alike. Stacy?
Hi, my name is Stacy, and I'm an assistant marketing manager at the Bradford Exchange. Along with some of the beautiful home decor products that are made of glass that you just saw, we also have some heartfelt relationship products that are handcrafted of glass as well. I have with me the Daughter You Light Up My Life art glass keepsake. It comes in a beautiful gift box that says "My Daughter" on the top, a sentimental poem card that's perfect for your daughter to keep close and to remind her just how much you love her. And then it also has a sentiment, and the sentiment reads, "My daughter, you bring light to my life and joy to my heart." This keepsake is completely made of glass, and then if you turn it over on the back, there's a switch because it also lights up. One of the coolest things about this gift is that no two are the same. Take a look at how it's made. So you might have noticed the hole that was in the back of the heart when it finished firing. This is where the color gets infused in, making each one of a kind. It has a couple of pegs on the back so it can stand up on its own. And then it also has the light and the switch to really bring those colors alive. This is truly a unique gift and perfect for your daughter, whether she keeps it on the nightstand while she sleeps at night, or even those daughters that aren't at home anymore. When they're missing you, they can pick it up and hold it close and truly be reminded of how much you love them. There's so many ways that your daughter can cherish this gift and be reminded that she's the light of your life. To see other gifts and other products that are made of glass, make sure to check out the link in the post. Thanks.